Hi guys, welcome back. Famous Oban Distillery. There it is. It's been there since 1794. Their whiskey is not cheap, I must warn you, but it is a single malt. It's of very high status and popularity, so the demand is high. It's scarce. There's only two pot stills here, making one of Scotland's smallest distilleries. Now we're heading out towards St. Columba's Cathedral en route to Dunolly Castle. But just thinking, doesn't that make Oban a city in the UK if it has a cathedral? Please comment down below. I'd love to know. As I said, Oban's whiskey is scarce. There's only 670,000 litres per year being produced, so get there quickly. Why not pop down to the Oban ferry and take the journey to the Isle of Mull? It's only 45 minutes, and what a delightful journey that will be.